For almost 15 years, OnStar has been there when our customers needed us most. We've helped millions of people who have reached out to us for safety, security, directions, and more, all with the touch of a button. And we've been there with live human interactions during more than 150,000 automatic crash responses.
My car started shaking, so all I did was just hold on to the steering wheel and I just went down, hit a tree head on. Right after I wrecked and the advisor came on, and sure enough, they all came running down the hill to save me. I definitely feel safer with OnStar.
Now, you can get the safety and connectivity of OnStar in your vehicle. This revolutionary new product makes it possible for your vehicle to be equipped with core OnStar services, including automatic crash response with built-in sensors that can notify OnStar if the vehicle is in a collision, an emergency button that offers priority status to an OnStar advisor. And if your vehicle is stolen, OnStar can pinpoint its location and assist authorities with the vehicle's quick recovery. Turn-by-turn navigation so you don't have to guess where you're going. Built-in Bluetooth technology that enables hands-free mobile phone connectivity. Or if your cell phone is unavailable, you have the option to use OnStar's hands-free calling that enables you to keep your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. And if your vehicle is disabled, needs a tow, or you get locked out, you can depend on roadside assistance for an immediate connection to an advisor who can help direct a service provider to your exact location. With a simple install from a professional, now many vehicles can be equipped with the safety, security, and connectivity of OnStar, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. OnStar for vehicles you never thought possible. Now, you can get OnStar in your vehicle. OnStar, safely connecting you in ways you never thought possible.